Oh, my Iholena here just dropped a bunch of flowers down onto the table here, and I wanted to show what a tremendous amount of that Pilali nectar is cradled in these things. Luckily the ants aren't getting into them yet, but I'm trying to pour some into the spoon here. Maybe scooping with the spoon is better. Oh, that just jumped right out. Oh, that one jumped right out. Well, that's kind of cool. Now I can see how that mention in the history books about feeding this to infants. It'd be pretty easy to come up with a spoonful. That one jumped right off. You see, that's how much it stands up like a jelly. Jelly cup. Look at that, a whole spoonful of Pilali gel. And that's just from a handful of flowers. So really, if you were doing each hand a day and give that to your infant, or just for your daily calorie intake, it's sweet as sweet. Not much flavor. Huh.